So by 7, 1 by 7, 1. 7 divided by 1 time, which equals to 7. But this is not the correct answer, okay? Because when multiplication and division comes in the expression, they have equal priority from work from left to right. Therefore, in this expression, division is found as the left of multiplication. So this division has higher priority than this multiplication, okay, from left to right. Therefore, first we have to do divide this number. 7 divided by 1 over 7 means, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip, okay? So we have to keep the first number and we change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction, okay? Then 7 times 1 over 7, okay, times 7, this one, okay? Then which equals to 7 times 1 over 7 means, which is 7 times 7 times 7. And here 7 times 7, which gives us 49, then times 7, okay? 7 times 9, which equals to 63, sorry. Write 3, remainder 6, and 7 times 4, 28. Then 28 plus 6, which gives us 34, okay? So it is 343. The correct answer of this problem is 343.